So you want to be 1/8 of a pie, almost to the center.
Okay.
So if you hold it, let me get. And so you're like, we're literally creating a vortex of energy, you know, like a torus energy field when we're doing it this way.
Other sacred geometry base too.
You got here later last night.
Hey, Sean, yeah.
Hiya, Nick.
Hi.
I saw some D6 flying in the air last night. That was probably
I saw him flying all day.
yeah. Or in the morning, I mean.
Please come with us
Smoking tobacco?
Yeah, for sure. We'll end up here then, for sure.
So we're gonna spin the male energy, the female energy, the hardboard. We're gonna spin the male energy, and what's gonna happen is there's gonna be a whole bunch of dry dust that's gonna fall right down on top of this little piece of wood I put in there. And as the dust builds up, it'll fill this whole hole, and when the dust hits the spindle, that's when you want to like conserve your energy. You don't want to give it to it all at the beginning, right? You like want to slowly get into it, build that energy up, and once that dust is right there and all the conditions are just right, you give it everything you have, right? You put all your energy into one spot. Will someone hold that for me? So then we're gonna start a fire, buddy. Come over here.
Start a fire right now.
We're gonna hold it in like this.
We're gonna create the spark of life. Then we're gonna carry that spark of life to the Tinder bundle, which is the womb of creation.
Yeah.
So you want to hold this one. You're the base. I use my whole hand. I'm pressing downwards and inwards.
Right?
I'm nervous about
I'm gonna hold it in for again. And then remember to breathe, because the breath is power. Okay, so I have the dust built up. Now I'm gonna give it everything I have. So you can be really careful right here because you're all tired from doing all that work. And you created a little baby, a spark of life. And so you want to make sure you're just super gentle.
We're tired.
Protect it from the wind.
It's like a fire nest.
And then we've created a nest, the womb, and we're going to put it in the blanket and get it all cozy. And you've done all that work, you've created life, but it still takes the breath of the creator to blow it into flame. You help me blow. You do alternate breath. You blow and I blow.
think that you